Do you need oven cleaning services in Shepton Mallet, Wells, Chew Valley, Midsummer Norton, Glastonbury Street or surrounding areas of Somerset? Hello, my name is Dean Sheppard from OvenGleamers, and I can help you. I provide a professional oven cleaning service in Wells, Shepton Mallet, Chew Valley, Midsummer Norton, Glastonbury Street and Somerset. Is your oven dirty? Can't see through the door? Is your oven smoking? Well, I can help you. Your oven needs regular cleaning to ensure it stays healthy and safe for you to use, and not covered it with fat or burnt on carbon. My goal is to clean your oven in today's gleams, removing all traces of grease, fat and burnt on carbon, so once again it looks like new. And is a real joy for you to use. Cleaning your own oven is a labour-intensive, dirty job, which potentially is dangerous and not always 100% effective. We clean the whole of the oven thoroughly, including the fan, the self-cleaning sides, the insides of the doors, and using a process that is safe for you and your children and your pets, bringing your oven up to as new standard. We also have a satisfaction guarantee. So for oven cleaning service in Somerset, please get in touch with me by ringing my number now.
Phone us now for all your oven, Aga and range cleaning requirements. It's really quick and easy. You just call, we quote, we book.